Got 45 minutes? How about we spice things up with some delicious chicken noodle soup? Ready to dive in? First, season and marinate your chicken thighs with salt, pepper, soy sauce, and fresh ginger. Next, sauté chopped onion, garlic, and ginger in olive oil until they're fragrant. Trust me, your kitchen's gonna smell amazing. Pour in 6 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, then add sliced carrots, celery, and jalapeños. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Now pop in those marinated chicken thighs. Cook them for 10-12 minutes, shred the meat, and toss it back into the pot. Throw in some egg noodles and a pinch of red chili flakes. Cook for another 5-7 minutes until the noodles are perfectly tender. Serve it up with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for that extra zing. For the full recipe, visit mangosandpalmtrees.com. What's your favorite soup recipe? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. #Spicy Chicken Noodle Soup #. Healthy recipes. #Comfort food. #Easy recipes. #mangoes and palm trees.